Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get Firefox browser on Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. So let's start with opening our Google Play Store. Next is to tap on a search pool, enter Firefox, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Right here we can customize the browser, so choose a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in for synchronization between other devices. You can also change the privacy settings from standard to strict and read the privacy notice. Click on start browsing when you're ready, open any website, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.